Hello everyone, my name is Tung-Chien Evan Yu, graduate student in BEM program, Department of TECS, College of Education, UMass Amherst.
This project addresses the need to highlight the cultural component of language learning and describes an immigrant family's experiences in northeastern United States of America.
These experiences are represented through a nonfiction narrative that seeks to illuminate various aspects of this family's linguistic and cultural journey. The data were collected through observation of a 6th grade classroom in a public elementary school in western Massachusetts and through interviews with an ESL teacher in a public school, with the president of a parent-guardian organization, PGO, with a Chinese immigrant mother, and with a 6th grade emergent Chinese English bilingual. Some of the themes discussed in the project are as follows: language barrier as a shock, testing one's preconceived notions about the U.S. culture upon arrival in the USA, the role of parent involvement in academic progress of English language learners, cultural adaptation and transformation. Although learning English in the USA, a linguistic and cultural journey through the eyes of a parent is written for a broad audience. Immigrant families with children and teachers of English language learners might find this narrative especially informative.